Hello everyone, so back by popular demand, I've been asked by a few investors if I'll run my developers day on HMOs, so I have agreed to do the 21st of December. This is a limited because of the fact that I like to get everyone in a minibus. That's 9 seats including myself. That's only 8 people. I've already sold 3 tickets over the weekend, so if you want to get involved, do follow the link below. Any questions, also message and I'll reply, or private message, I'll get back to you as well. I'll give you a quick look around now of things that we will be looking at. So this here is a 3-bed to 6-bed all en suite that I'll be showing you. So we'll also be looking around this and this and this and this. This is a block of 4 terrace house in a row. I'll also be showing you around this club, what we are converting to 17 units. We're going to be doing mezzanine bed decks. So if you want to get involved, it is the 21st of December. That is Saturday. So if that's for you, do click the link below. It'd be great to see you there.